Dear students, let us see some more problems regarding heights and distance now. And that the first problem is, let an object be placed at some height h centimeters, and let P and Q be the 2 points of observation which are at a distance of 10 centimeters apart. The line inclined at an angle 15 degrees to the horizontal. If the angles of elevation of the object from P and Q are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively, then find H. This is the problem. So we are going to observe the situation by this diagram. So many things we have to observe from this diagram. Okay. So in the problem, the object is placed at the point H from the base PB bar. This is what now? PB bar is the base at H centimeters height. At A point, the object is located there. Okay. Now, points of observation here given. Those are what? P and Q. How they are located? P and Q are located at the distance of 10 centimeters in between them, and Q point is located from the P point of elevation of 15 degrees. They are given in the problem. So we have to find the length h centimeters. Okay. For that we have to observe lot more things here, and one more thing also here given in the problem. The angle of elevation from the point P to A is 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation from the point Q to A is 60 degrees here given. So first of all, we need to find the each and every angle around Q. We have to find the each and every angle around Q. So for that we have a rectangle here BCQD. This is a rectangle, and we have a triangle that PDQ, and one more triangle CQA, and one more triangle PQA. These are all the structures we have in the diagram, so that we could find the each and every angle around Q now. So first of all, we mentioned that we are going to observe the triangle PQD now. Okay. So since BDQC is a rectangle, in this triangle at a D must be right angle over here. Okay, 90 is completed for this triangle, and the angle of elevation from P to Q is 15 degrees here given in the problem. So 90 plus 15 is equals to 105. So the remaining angle must be how much? 75 degrees. Okay. Now the angle of elevation from Q to A is 60 degrees here given. So here we got 75, here we have 90 degrees, and here we have 60 degrees. So here the angle must be 360 degrees minus sum of 75 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 60 degrees. So that the angle must be 135 degrees here. Okay. So now we are observing the triangle AQC. At C we have the right angle, since because BDQC is a rectangle. So at C we have a right angle, and it is what now? At Q we have 60 degrees of angle. So the remaining angle must be how much? 100%. It is what now? 90 plus 60 means it is what? 150. So that this angle must be what now? 30 degrees. Okay. Now next. The angle of elevation from P point to A is 30 degrees here given, and this angle is 15 degrees. So the remaining angle must be what now? 15 degrees. Means what? Angle APQ is what now? 15 degrees. So this is 135 degrees and it is what now? 15 degrees. So for the triangle PQA, the remaining angle means what? Angle PAQ must be how much? 135 plus 15 means it is what? 150. 180 minus 150. So this angle must be what? 30 degrees of angle. Okay. So these are the structural view of the problem, and we need to find out the H value, and we are assuming this PA bar is equals to T now. This PA bar is equals to T now. So here we are using the sine rule for which triangle? PQA. For the triangle PQA, we are using the sine rule to simplification. So as we discussed, AB bar is equals to H and AP bar is equals to T, and PQ bar is equals 10 centimeters here given. Angle of elevation from the P point to A is 30 degrees here given, and angle of elevation from Q point to A is 60 degrees here given. Now we are applying sine rule for the triangle PQA. Okay. Now what is the sine rule for a triangle? If suppose we have a known length of the side of a triangle and it is related to its opposite angle, so means it is what? T by sine 135 degrees must be equals to one more relation as same as in this triangle. So we know that PQ bar side length, what is that? PQ bar side length, what is that? 10 centimeters. Its opposite angle is what now? 30 degrees. Its opposite angle is what now? 30 degrees. The ratio in between them is also must be same. Means it is what? T by sine of 135 degrees is equals to 10 centimeters by sine of 30 degrees must be also equal. So by the sine rule for the triangle PQA is that T by sine 135 degrees is equals to 10 by sine 30 degrees. Now we are solving this equation for T now. So T is equals to, if sine of 135 degrees goes this side, it will multiplies the 10, means it is what? 10 into sine of 135 by sine 30 degrees. So sine of 135 degrees can be written as what? Sine of 90 plus 45 degrees here. So sine of 90 plus 45 means it is what? It is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, 90 plus theta means it is what? Sine changes as to cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees is what now? 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees is what now? 1 by root 2. As well as sine 30 degrees is what now? 1 by 2. So this equation must be 10 into 1 by root 2 by 1 by 2 now. So by solving this one, we would get 10 into root 2 now. So we had the t value. T value is what now? 10 into root 2. So now we are observing the total triangle. Means it is what? APB. So we are observing the triangle APB now. So the angle of elevation from P is what now? 30 degrees. Angle of elevation from P is what now? 30 degrees. I am finding the sine elevation from P point for the triangle APB now. So it will what now? Sine 30 degrees is equals to opposite side AB bar, means it is what? H, divided by hypotenuse AP bar. It is what now? T. So means it is what? Sine 30 degrees is equals to h by t. As you know, we find the t value, what is that? 10 by root 2. H is equals to t into sine 30 degrees. In place of t, we are going to substitute 10 root 2 now, so that the value of h is what now? 5 root 2. Let us see Some more example problems. The problem is the angle of elevation of top point P of the vertical tower PQ bar of height h from a point A is 45 degrees and from the point B is 60 degrees, where B is a point at a distance 30 meters from the point A measured along the line AB bar, which makes an angle 30 degrees with AQ bar. Find the height of the tower. So let us discuss the problem with this diagram. So PQ bar is the tower we have, and its length is h. Now we have to find this h. Okay, now so here we have, this is the top of the tower P, and angle of observations are from A, B. So angle of elevation from A to the point P is 45 degrees here given, and from the B point angle of elevation to the point P is 60 degrees here given. And one more thing, the distance between AB bar here given 30 meters, and angle of elevation from A to the point B is 30 degrees here given. Okay, these are the things here given, and we need to find out the length of the tower PQ bar, that we have to find the h value now. For that, we have to conclude each and every angles around this B. Okay, so as similar we discussed in the previous problem, here also the same we are going to discuss. For that, this is the elevation of angle from A to B is 30 degrees. So that regarding the triangle ABD, at D we have the right angle, and here we have the 30 degrees. The remaining angle must be what? 60 degrees. Here also the same, BCQD is a rectangle. So that this angle must be 90 degrees, and angle of elevation from 60 degrees, angle of elevation from B point to point P is 60 degrees here given. So that surround B we have 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 60 degrees. So that the remaining angle means what it is, angle ABP is must and should be 150 degrees, means what, 360 degrees minus of 60 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 60 degrees. So that the B angle must be here, means what, angle ABP must be what, 150 degrees. And the angle of elevation from A to P is 45 degrees here given, and the angle of elevation from A to B is 30 degrees here given. So that the remaining angle regarding the triangle ABP, the remaining angle means what, angle PAB is what, of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, means what it is, 15 degrees. Angle PAB is what now, 15 degrees. So that for the triangle ABP we have here 15 degrees and here 150 degrees. So that the angle APB must be 15 degrees. So that, so it is 150 plus 15 means it is what, 165. So So 180 minus 165 means it is what? 15 degrees. Okay. So for the triangle ABP, two angles are same. Here at A and here at P, both the angles are 15 degrees. So that we can conclude the triangle ABP is an isosceles triangle. Okay. And regarding this property, this triangle two sides must and should have the same length. So as the angles are same for these vertices which are opposite to these angles, those sides are also same. Means what? We know that AB bar is 30 degrees, which is opposite to the 15 degrees angles. So this 15 degrees angles side is what now? BP bar must and should have 30 meters. Okay. So AB bar is equals to 30 meters. And BP bar is also 30 meters. As we know, ABP is an isosceles triangle. Now we will move for the solution of it. To find out the length of this PQ bar H value, so it is partitioned into two parts. What is that? PQ bar is equals to CP bar plus CQ bar. Okay. So now we have to find out the CP bar length and as well as CQ bar length. So first of all we will find the CQ bar length. So instead of finding the direct length of CQ bar, we are going to find the BD bar length. Why? Because BCQD is a rectangular. So its opposite sides are equal. So CQ bar length must be equals to BD bar length. So as we have the values regarding to BD bar, so that we are trying to find the BD bar length first, so that it is must and should equal to CQ bar length. To find out the BD bar length, you to observe this triangle ABD triangle. You have to observe now. In this triangle, the elevation is 30 degrees. So I am finding the sine elevation. So I could get a sine 30 degrees is equals to opposite side. Means what it is? BD bar divided by hypotenuse AB bar. So sine 30 degrees is equals to BD bar by AB bar, means it is what? 30 meters. So that sine 30 degrees is equals to, I could get a BD bar by AB bar. So BD bar is equals to, I can find that is what now? AB bar into sine 30 degrees, whereas BD bar is equals to CQ bar, since BDCQ is a rectangle. Now, so we have successfully find the value in terms of CQ bar value in terms of BD bar. Now we are trying to find the another partition CP bar. So we have to observe this triangle BCP triangle. Here the elevation is 60 degrees. So here also we are finding the sine elevation 60 degrees. So sine 60 degrees is equals to opposite side CP bar by BP bar. CP bar by BP bar. So what I could get a sine 60 degrees is equals to CP bar by BP bar. So that I can get a PC bar value is what now? Sine 60 degrees into BP bar. So we had found the two partitions of the length H CQ bar and PC bar. So that the solution proceedings like this. H is equals to PC bar plus CQ bar. The PC bar value is what now? BP bar into sine 60 degrees plus CQ bar is value is what now? AB bar into sine 30 degrees. As we know all these values, whereas BP bar is equals to 30 meters and AB bar is also what now? 30 meters. So in place of BP bar I am substituting 30 meters. Sine 60 is what now? Sine 60 is what now? Root 3 by 2 plus, and AB bar is what now? 30 degrees. Sine 30 is what now? 1 by 2. So now what we are getting now? This 30 is cancels with these two, remains what now? Only 15. Next, this 2 is cancels, this 30 remains with what now? 15 into root 3. So 15 root 3 plus 15. What I could get here? 15 is the common term. So when I take the common of 15 here, it remains what? 15 into root 3 plus 1 meters. So that the value of h is, we got 15 into root 3 plus 1 meters. One more example problem. Two trees capital A and capital B are on the same side of a river from a point C in the river. The distance of the tree capital A and capital B are 250 meters and 300 meters respectively. If the angle C is 45 degrees, find the distance between the trees. This is the question. So now we are discuss the problem with this diagram. So this line is what now? A river. On this river we have a point C. From the point C, capital A and capital B are the trees are located at a distance of 250 meters. A tree is located. From the C point, B tree is located at the distance of 300 meters. And here we are having a triangle ABC, whereas AB bar is the distance between the trees. We have to find that. And angle ACB here given, that is what now? 45 degrees here given. So we can find the distance between the two trees easily by using cosine rule. So what is cosine rule? First of all, we have to know about the values of small a, small b, small c. So what is small a? The length of the side in a triangle which is opposite to the vertex A. So this is the vertex A. Its opposite side is what now? BC bar. Its opposite side what now? BC bar. So the BC bar length is what now? 300 meters. It is indicated by small a. And the length which is opposite to the vertex B is what now? AC bar. It is 200 meters and it is indicated by small b. And the length which is opposite to the vertex C in the triangle ABC is AB bar. We have to find that, it is located as, it is indicated as small c. So let us observe the cosine rule for the triangle ABC now. So we need to find out the c, small c. So small c square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos capital C. So here cos C means what? Capital C means what? Its angle. Okay. Now we are substituting the values over there. So c square means what now? ab square. A square means it is what now? 300 meters square. B square means what is now? 250 meters square. Minus 2 into 300 into 250 cos C means what? 45 degrees here given in the problem. So by simplifying 300 square means what it is 90,000. 250 square means what it is 62,500. Minus 2 into 300 into 250 is what now 75,000, and cos 45 is what now 1 by root 2. So we have the root 2 value in the denominator. This root 2 will cancels with these 2, so remains only what now root 2. So by simplifying, we are taking common of 100 from these the terms. So we would get what now 900 plus 625 minus 750 root 2. Okay, now by simplifying the total term, we would get the value 46,434 approximately. So that AB bar is equals to under root of 46,434 now. So while we are taking the root value for this value, so it is AB bar is equals to 215.4 meters approximately. So the distance between the two trees in the river is what now 215.4 meters.